Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1998 Hot Wheels. Today we have a really cool one. It's the Digger. It's number 643 in the collector series. It is from the first editions. So it says Hot Wheels leading the way. Look for the 1998 first edition series of new models. So I would imagine this is a new model with wheels instead of tracks. Staying true to Hot Wheels. There's a little collector tip there if you want to pause and read that. Right there. Copyright 97. Alright, let's get this Digger open. Ooh, the glue is tight. Oh, mad rip open. Barely tell. Moving parts! Yeehaw, dude! They all should have moving parts. Opening doors. I like the opening doors. I miss those days. All the yellow is metal, so it's metal on metal. Nice! This is actually plastic. You can see the axles clear. This is so cool. How does it roll? Oh, nice and straight. Nice and straight. Kind of curved, but that's because of the table. Let's see. Let's try to rebound it going backwards. Oh. Alright, none of that rebounding on this one. But we have other cool stuff about it. Oh, it does drift! Well, we'll drift with it up. Nice. Alright, now the coolest test of all. Let me see what I can find for snow. Oh, that part of the barrel does not move. But you can still, let's see if we can scoop. Oh, it drops. Kind of cheated. If the barrel would move a little bit, or the bucket I should say, if that would move a little bit, it would hold it better. Kind of crunch. Use my thumb to cheat. Go put it over here. Move this whole thing. How about smash through it? Well, sick ride. It's going into my favorites collection. All my construction vehicles. And we're going to be doing my constructions probably with nicer weather, but I have a whole construction site. And we're going to set those up and get all my construction vehicles. We'll have a good old time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And until next time. T10 out.